trying to make homemade kimchi, so I will show you in very short and simple way. So enjoy the way how I make the recipe. So I hope you will like it, and it will be also informative for all of you, and enjoy the instruction. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, I'm trying to make a kimchi, so let's see how it will turn out. So this is kimchi, what do you call that, spinach, which means we have to soak in the salt water for 24 hours. So this is garlic, and this is ginger, so which I need to mix it up. So let me peel all this ginger, and then I will show you again. I finish my garlic. Now I need to peel this ginger. Now ginger is also finished, as you can see, garlic.
Now it's the time to clear all the salt water. Once all the salt water is cleared out, I'm trying my best to rinse it well so that it won't be so salty. As you can see, I'm trying the 3 to 4 buckets to rinse it again and again so that there won't be any salty taste. Now let's smash all the ginger. So once ginger is finished, and now it's the time for garlic to smash again, same as ginger. So I will smash it so well so it will be mixed very easily. Now I need to prepare this chili. First I soak in the cold water for half hour, and now I'm going to blend in the blender machine. As you can see, by soaking in the cold water, it made me very easy to make the chili paste, as we can see in this video. Otherwise it would be quite hard. So best thing is make sure that you soak in the cold water for a half an hour, so it would be very easy step to make a paste of the red chili. And make sure it's not very spicy red chili, otherwise it will spoil our taste of the kimchi. Finally, you can see how tasty it look. Now let me peel all the radish, so it will give a really delicious taste. So it cut in the very small piece as you like. Now it's the time for spinach, which I need to cut. Actually, most of the time people don't cut it, but I prefer to cut it so that later on I don't need to cut it while sharing. So as you can see, I'm mixing a spinach with the kimchi spinach with radish, and I have to mix it well. And now it's the time for ginger. Again, I have to mix it very well. And now it's a garlic. As you can see the portion how I mix it. Now it's a chili, so make sure that you don't put so much chili, otherwise it would be very spicy and you won't able to eat it. So you make sure how spicy you can buried, so just make a little bit red and salt. Now and finally I mix it with the salt and mix it very well so that all will be equally taste same. And finally I am adding a lemon, so it will give a very some sort of a bitter taste. Now I'm adding a sesame, which is fully for vegetarian. Otherwise I can add the what you call prawn, a small shrimp, which will give a very nice taste. But since I'm a vegetarian, I'm just adding sesame, and I'm not adding any egg or any meats. So this is a very big jar which is made out of clay. So in order to make it in very cool temperature, I'm trying my best to store in this clay pot. So it's very important that you make sure that it's an airtight lid before you store in a cold 24-hour cold and dark place. After storing in 24 hours, so let me check how the kimchi is fragmented. So as you can see, a color is very beautiful and look quite tasty also. So let me taste and see if the chili and the way the lemon and all the ginger, everything, how it tastes. So let me store more hour, and then I will divide in the very small other jar, which I later on I can take it out very small portion which they each this small jar. And make sure that when you store in the other jar, it should be airtight, otherwise it will be a damage. So I'm adding more lemon, and I'm trying my best to find the container with the airtight container. As you can see, I'm dividing this all kimchi into the smaller container. So this is my final container, which I can store whatever left into this jar. So finally I finished packing all my kimchi. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe in my YouTube channel if you are new here, and it will be very helpful if you can share and comment if there is anything I need to add. So thank you very much for your kind support. See you in next video.